Okay, so at this point you should have finished your water availability survey content, and some of you might be wondering how you can remove the distances from your map. So basically it's F5, okay, on your keyboard, and then refresh your page. Okay, it's not working. There we go, just took some time there. Alright, and then you're going to go back to your boulder fields page again. So layers and boulder fields, select, and you're going to go back to Charlotte Pass boulder fields. And then you're going to switch off water courses and bulbs and fans. So you need to go back to drainage, and if they're not already off, they should be off by now. Okay, and then you're ready to move on to the next part, which is the mountain plum pine. So outside the breeding seasons, more than half of the mountain pygmy possum's diet is made up of fruits and seeds. Mountain plum pine seeds are a food source for mountain pygmy possums. The higher percentage of cover of mountain plum pine, the higher quality habitat a boulder field may be. Okay, so you should have boulder fields open, as I said before, and then you're going to switch on cover for mountain plum pine and review percentage cover at each of the identified habitat fields. So, sorry, just trying to find it. Okay, there we go. So percentage cover, mountain plum pine. Alright, and then at each of the fields, you're going to rank them. So to be ranked 1, it needs to be 29.9 to 25%. To rank it as a 2, it needs to be 24.9 to 20%. Okay, to rank it as 3, 19.9 to 15. To rank it as 4, it needs to be 14.9 to 10. And just scroll down a little bit. Rank it as 5, 9.9 to 5. And rank it as 6 is 4.9 to 0. Okay, so starting with A. Sorry, just organising my papers here. So starting with A, it's the dark blue. So you can see that's 29.9 to 25% cover. So you would have to rank that as a 1. Alright, let's look at B. It's this colour. So it's like a tealy blue, 24.9 to 20. So that would be as ranked as a number 2. C down here, it's dark again, so number 1. And I guess you get the picture now, and you need to move through the remainder and rank those accordingly. Just remember, if need be, there's a worksheet outlining all the rankings provided for you that you would have printed at the beginning of this project. So if you forget your rankings according to my dictation, go back and open up that file or have it printed out next to you while you do this task. Okay, all the best with that. Don't forget, contact your teacher if you have any questions.